Yo, I've been trying to get these ducks for a long time. Let's try to get them. Now see, they got like weird heads. They're smaller than regular ducks. Look how they move. They're like, walk like an Egyptian. They're like moving their heads up and forward. But they're pretty scarce. You know, every time I come around, they get the hell out of here. I guess they're about 5 times smaller than a regular duck. But just comment below what kind of ducks you think these are, or birds. I got something crawling on my foot. I think I'm sinking in the swamp, so I'll see you later.